Are you a new founder and you're trying to figure out whether you're losing more money or trying to figure out whether you're gaining more of it? Is there revenue? Is there any kind of margin that you're making? Then there are 15 methods that I tell you that you should definitely be following, or the metrics that you should be following for your business. Let's start one by one. Are you focusing on monthly recurring revenue? This is basically the predicted revenue that will be generated by subscriptions or recurring payments in every month. This is more applicable to an OTT platform or an app-based platform, a SaaS-based product, but it is still pretty much useful if you consider it in any kind of business. Secondly, very important, customer acquisition cost. It's basically the cost to acquire a new customer. All you need to do is divide total acquisition expenses, which is marketing, sales, etc., by the number of customers acquired in a specific period. Right? Like, so if you want to say that I have done a lot of ads and I've spent around 1 lakh rupees on it, and the number of customers that I have acquired because of those ads are around 10. So what you need to do is you need to divide 1 lakh by 10, and that will be your customer acquisition cost, which is basically the cost of acquiring one customer based on all the expenses. What you also need to understand is the customer lifetime value. A lot of people call it CLTV or LTV. You can call it CLV as well, customer lifetime value. It's basically the total revenue expected from a single customer over the entire relationship with the company, which indicates long term profitability as well. And this is very important for new owners because you are starting out with one, two, or three clients, or maybe maximum five clients. So, how much business or how much revenue are you expecting per client becomes the most major part for you. Having said that, the one thing that you can always think about is the churn rate. Now, what is the churn rate? Churn rate is the percentage of customers who stop using a product or service within a given period. High churn rate can indicate that there's a lot of dissatisfaction, or there's a market fit issue, the product is not a market fit, and you have to work more on your product to ensure that the churn rate is reduced. Talking about the churn, etc., I think we should also speak about burn rate. What is the burn rate? The rate at which a company is spending its capital over a specific period. It is very crucial to manage cash flow and determining runway. I spoke about this in my previous video, and the link would be for that would be down there somewhere. But if you recently acquired funding and you need to understand that how much money I've spent out, and based on that, am I receiving any margins or profits? You need to track your burn rate, right? Without which you will not be able to track your expenses, your profits, and what are your margins, gross margins, etc. I have just pointed out five of the most important things as of now. If you guys are interested to know more about it, please comment on the section below. I will be sharing more videos of this sort to tell you about more methods or more things that a founder should definitely be having or following in order to make sure that their startup is going in a proper healthy manner. So please subscribe to my channel and you will get to know many more videos on this front. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.